Hello everyone, welcome back to your class 1 EVS offline class. This chapter means of transport which we already started. Hope you all saw the video previous day that about means of transport. What is the mean of transport? So we already discussed about it, and now go to the next page, page number 80. Here we learned about those transport that we go one place to another place and which vehicle we use. Those all are called transport, and by transport we can go and we can carry those transport can carry our also, which we go when we go anywhere, we carry bag and other things. So transport can carry those things also, so that's why we called it transport. Here aeroplanes and helicopter fly in the sky. We discussed those transport yesterday or previous day, that they are on land transport. So helicopter and aeroplanes can fly in the sky. So those are the sky transport. They carry us to faraway places in a very short time. Yes, helicopter and aeroplanes have speed, so that's why, and they go to by sky one place to another place, and they carry us and our things in a they go to that place in a very short time. Okay, and next is the ships and boats sail on the sea. Those are water transport, which we discussed previous day, that about land transport. Aeroplane, helicopter are sky transport, and this boat and the ships, boats, so those are cruise, those are the water transport. So they carry people and goods to faraway places. So which their places they can go, there are some places which we can't go almost in the sea area, but where some places we go one place to another place, one country to another country also. So those by ship, by most of the ship, by ship we can go one country to another country also. So by water, by sea, so those all are the water transport. They carry us, they carry our goods also. So that's about the three types of transport which we learned from this chapter. And here is the summary of this text part of means of transport, that we use the different means of transport to travel to different places. These things you already learned. That's about transport. Aeroplane, helicopter fly in the sky. Those are the sky transport. So here three type of transport. One is land transport, that are bus, bike, train, scooter, car, and scooty, cycle, auto, toto. So those are the land transport which we see on the road. Those vehicles are land transport. They go one place to another place by land, okay. So that's why we called it land transport. Next is the sky transport. So sky transport are aeroplane, helicopters. Aeroplane, helicopters. You may heard about the rocket also. So by rocket we can go one planet to another planet. But in our planet, in our earth, if we go anywhere, one country to another country, one state to another state, we can go by sky transport. And as those vehicles go one place to another place in the sky, by the sky, so that's why we call them sky transport. They use the sky as a path. Okay, next is the water transport, and that is go by water. Those transport go one place to another place by water. So that's why they are the water transport. And you know that ship and boat, cruise also, that is one extra example of water transport. So those are the example of those land transport, sky transport and water transport. So you have to remember that which transport use which kinds of pathway. So read this chapter, means of transport, very attentively. Today we completed the text part, and the next class we will proceed for your exercise part. So you can try at your home the question time. So first of all you have to read this chapter very attentively, and you have to remember this also. Okay, so that's all everyone. Have a nice day and bye.